Tired of manually clicking open your glass doors? Let's build an automatic sliding glass door in Minecraft that's both functional and seriously impressive. First, we'll need to dig out an area for our mechanism. For a standard 2-block wide door, dig a 2x3 area, 2 blocks deep, in front of your desired door opening. Place a pressure plate on each side of your door opening. Directly above this hole, these will be our activation triggers. Now, let's get to the redstone. In the dugout area, place redstone dust on the block directly behind each pressure plate. From that redstone dust, extend a redstone line 2 blocks back. Then, on the second block back, place a redstone torch on the side. On the block next to the redstone torch, place another piece of redstone dust. This will power the torch, causing it to turn off. This is what makes the door retract. Now, from the block with the torch, place a sticky piston facing upwards directly beneath the space where your door will be. It's crucial this piston is directly under the door block. Repeat this process on the other side of your door opening. Dig out the mirrored 2x3 hole. Place the pressure plates and redstone torches, and sticky pistons facing upwards. Now it's time for the doors themselves. Place your glass blocks on top of each sticky piston. Make sure they perfectly align with your doorway. Carefully connect the redstone lines from both sides. You'll want the redstone directly behind each pressure plate to connect to the block supporting the redstone torch on the opposite side. This creates a fully integrated system. To hide the mechanism, cover the dugout areas with blocks that match your surrounding build. Ensure your paths leading to the pressure plates are clear. And there you have it. Step on the pressure plate, and your stylish automatic sliding glass door springs to life, opening and closing with seamless redstone engineering.